Today we're going to become composers. I just finished listening to a John Williams podcast where he discussed writing the 5 notes for Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Da 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 da. 5 notes that define the film. Today we're going to be doing that. This is part of the monthly challenge series that we do over on Accordion Love. It's the world's largest online music school, and every month we apply a musical principle and we share it with people from around the world. Wonderful. Today we're going to be choosing 5 notes, and there are multiple levels of difficulty that we can do this challenge. I'll show you what I mean. So I'm going to choose 5 notes where you can repeat a note, but in general we just want 5. You can do 7, but let's do 5. So I'm going to start from an E for no reason. Here's an example of the monthly challenge. Okay, that's my ta-da-da. It's not quite Close Encounters of the Third Kind, but that could be my challenge entry. More advanced players, I'd like for you to match those notes to a melody, to a bass, to a supporting chord on your left hand. Because I'm starting on my E note, and the second note is a G, my E and G, I bet you a C major will support that melody nicely. Let's try it. That sounds nice. Maybe an E minor will support that melody as well, because E and G are part of an E minor chord. Has a different kind of feel to it. I wonder if we can go from an E minor to a C. That sounds really nice. Again. I really like that. So again, we're developing a theme. We're developing using a 5-note melody. We're starting to think, okay, what chord can support that melody? Is it 1 chord? Is it 2 chords? Can there be a movement between chords? I'll show you an example of a chord that doesn't really fit, I'm assuming. The notes are E, G, D, and C. Can a D major support that? Let's try it. Not quite. It gyrates. There's a dissonance. You can do that. It's up to you. You could be a visionary as long as you're doing it on purpose. But there might be some other notes that support it. The E flat, the A flat definitely doesn't. Maybe a G. But it does want to resolve to the C major. So that's what I want to see in this month's challenge from Accordion Love students. I want to see you pick 5 notes and then with some logic, show me what chord or chords can support that melody. More advanced players, can you make it musical and into a little bit of a song? Maybe 7 notes. Here I have a 2-5-1. D minor, G, C. I'll give you one more example. Let's choose some other notes. We'll start from the B. Yeah. Okay. I'm starting from the B, going to the G. I know that that's an E minor chord. Could be a G major chord. Yeah. What other chord can support that? So again, there's movement, there are chords. Feel free to write down the notes that you're coming up with. But again, we see John Williams, how he made 5 notes be the way that a spaceship speaks, that a species introduces itself to someone else. What are your 5 notes, and how can you use chords to support those notes? Not an easy challenge, not a difficult challenge. You have until the end of the month to submit a challenge, Accordion Love students. Do 6 challenges in a year, and I'll send you an Accordion Love hoodie or a sweatshirt, whatever you'd like. 12 challenges in a year gets you a special prize pack. Thank you.